Right here we're looking at a side sewer inspection from 6531 6th Avenue Northwest. This is the city stub. Looks like an excessive or rather large offset and what looks like a rock sitting down at the bottom of it. Water is going over the top of it though. And then we're going to start pulling back. Right there on the right, you see the beginning of an extremely large root in the line. This is a 6-inch pipe, so judging off the size of the pipe, this is a very thick root that is coming in from one seam and going in to another seam. I've worked on this for 2 days now, 4 hours, multiple times with different jetters and different jetter heads. This is not going out. I spoke with the customer. He elected not to go forward with further charges to try and get that out, and he's just going to run with it. He's been informed of the potential things that could happen. So.